Find a fully funded PhD in Sweden. Once you find a PhD in Sweden, you already know it's fully funded. So how to find a fully funded PhD in Sweden, that is what we'll discuss in this video. And I will show you where to find it. If you've make up your mind that you want to come to Sweden and you want to apply, you want to come through PhD, where you can find it, the website that publish it, they publish PhD on the government job bank. So because PhDs, you are fully employed, you are employed full time. And if you want to come to study PhD in Sweden, maybe you are not in Sweden, if you are not in Sweden already, you want to come to Sweden, maybe you are even in another European country and you want to come to Sweden, the job bank where you can find it, this job bank is for you that you've make up your mind that you want to come and do PhD in Sweden, because that is where you will find PhD jobs. You find all jobs are being published, but that is where you also find PhD. So for you, this video just help you to narrow down your search, because you can use www.findaphd.com to also find PhD in Sweden. But specifically for Sweden, you make up your mind that no, I'm coming to Sweden for PhD, and you want to keep track on when applications are out. So this is, you use the job bank and the website. I will show you a practical demo in this video. And one thing you have to know is, when you are coming to study your PhD in Sweden, you are coming to work and they sponsor your work permit. So if you have family, you are married, you have children, you are being sponsored. So far you get the PhD, you can apply for your visa and your resident permit together for your family also. That is just the beauty of coming to study PhD. And most especially if you know you are looking for PhD and you still don't have money to pay application fee, this video is for you. You don't have to worry about application fee, because submitting application fee is free. You don't have to pay application fee for your PhD, and you can apply to as many PhD as possible that you see that they advertise. You can't get this, most times you can get it on school website too. But to find the whole PhD that is available in Sweden, that is the website I use. It's called Arbetsförmedlingen. I don't know, my Swedish pronunciation is not right, but Arbetsförmedlingen. So I'll put the website in my video description. I will show you the live demo too, so you can see it. You can see how to find a PhD in Sweden. So if you know you don't want to pay for application fee, you want to apply for many PhD as possible, and you are hoping to get it, you just need to keep checking the website often as possible for you to find the one that will suit your purpose. So we'll get into it. Stay tuned. Let's dive in. Thank you. Of how to find a PhD in Sweden, where to find all the PhDs. So where to find the PhD is, the website is arbetsförmedlingen.se. Arbetsförmedlingen. Let me show it again, because I already have it open. Arbetsförmedlingen.se. And because I know you are coming, you might not understand Swedish, at least a little, you might not know a little at all, so you just have to translate it to English. So use translator, preferably use Google Chrome. You have other browser too, but I use Google Chrome and it worked perfectly. So for you to find find a PhD in Sweden, you just come to this website, then you search for jobs in Platsbanken. Like, this is the jobs bank. Search for jobs here, because it is where you find it. And you know, PhD, as I said, is fully funded, and you still get paid for while studying. PhD is a full-time job, you still get paid for it, so you don't have to worry. And the good thing is, you still don't have to worry about how to bring your family getting health insurance, everything will be covered for you. You don't have to think about how you fund your research because it's fully funded. So in this website, I think I show you that you go to search Blatt banking. If you see it again, let me go back again. This is abetformally.sc. When you come in, you see search for jobs. When you translate search for jobs, the employer just click on search for jobs. And here, just write Doktorand. So you see this word, this Swedish word. Even me myself, I don't know how I found it, but I know when I use this word to search for it, I find all. You just click on search. You see 277 jobs are available. 277 PhD are available. So let me translate again. 277 advertisements with those are what are available for the doctor. So you can see reason why I asked you to use Doktorand is so that you can find all. Because if you use PhD, I will try and use PhD. I've used it before, but I discovered that when I use this word, it just give me all. So you can see doctoral student, Swedish University for Agriculture, doctoral student, Umea University, doctoral student in pedagogy, doctoral student in cognitive science, doctoral student in high core research, doctoral student in machine learning, doctoral student in electrical engineering, doctoral student in machine learning, in computational science. You can see that you see, there are students, this is where you find all. This is where you find all. This video is not to teach you how to submit your application, but I will just dive in a little bit. But it's just like if you're applying for a job, so there's nothing much in it. You just have to craft your application rightly. That is what is. This is where to find this jobs. This is where to find all the PhD. So you just pick the one that are specific for you. Then when you scroll down, you see there are a lot of PhD that are available. Lots and lots and lots. So look at this. These ones are published. The latest is always, you see, the latest is the latest jobs, the latest PhD are on top. This one are published January 30. I'm making this video February 2. So and February 2, 2025. This is January 30, 2025 that is published. So you see these ones are recent. If you know you need PhD, this is how to find it. And you just look for the one that suits your purpose. This is published in December 16. This when you see jobs hard, that shows it is being advertised on the government website. It is being advertised on the government website. So it's now left for you rather to find a way to look for, to keep track, to keep checking. So I want to use, okay, now I want to use one as example. So doctoral students. Let's use this one that's doctoral student machine learning. Let's use this as example. You see, this shows this is in Uppsala University. Doctoral student in machine learning, Uppsala University. So you can now decide to go to the website. Then from there, this is applied via the employer's website. And so, and this is municipality. That shows this page is available in Uppsala University, and this is what they demand from you. With the doctoral student in machine learning with a focus on generative models for non-linear dynamic system. Do you want to work with method for generative machine learning in non-linear systems? So you just read through, then you see if it is something you can do. And if you scroll down, um so entry is September 1, 2025. The placement is Uppsala, and your application closes 21 March. You see? So, and if you need placement of Uppsala, information about the position is provided by Professor this, and the email is this. So you can write the professor too. If you want to write code email to the professor, you can write it and let the professor know. Then you click here to make your application. So I've clicked, you see, this is now the Uppsala University website. Then you now log in and apply for the jobs. You log in and apply for it. First, you read about a qualification requirement. You have read about qualification requirements. You see if you meet the requirement, and you see they wrote about the employment too. So this is how to find PhD in Sweden. So in order for this video not to be long or too long, so you see this, I just want to show you the website. I'll put the website in my video description and you can go through it. If you have any question, put it in the comment section, then I will be able to answer you. This is how to find it. You don't need money to apply for this, so you don't need to pay application fee. If you keep trying, you get it. So you don't need money. If you feel you don't even have application fee for your PhD to apply for, this is a good one to apply to. So please, thank you. And if you are looking for jobs too, this website is where to find job too. But um, that is not why we are here. We are here for the fully funded PhD. So, okay, that is how to find a fully funded PhD in Sweden. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Yomi Pupola. And bye. I will see you in my next video. Bye.